I'm helping you, Nick.
I'm going down.
La 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 la.
See.
Yellow.
YouTube.
It's not yellow poster.
You sure it's not? You sure it's not Harrison Park on YouTube.com?
Sorry, I just.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Jodi! Oh my bad. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Kyedae, you killed Sydney.
Wait!
Fuck you.
Oh my God!
You killed Sydney.
Oh no!
If it hits 20, I am going to be.
It's hit.
I'm a genius.
I'm a genius. I'm so smart.
Did you just say you're so smart? This is my idea.
Well, I bargained.
As a matter of fact, you had no involvement in any of this.
I just lent you 1,250 of my scraps so you could research all those things. So you're welcome. Are you serious?
I just want to see. It's pretty.
Ooh, yeah.
No, I fell down the hole again. Oh my God. No, Celine, save me.
I
knew that was gonna happen.
Where's the ladder? Oh.
All right, goodbye, boy.
Oh no!
He built the roof on me. I'm running out of oxygen. I need extra. I'm gonna die here.
I don't know. There we go. Oh wait, no, I didn't do that.
Oh! Wait, we're both stuck down here too.
Our progression.
Wait, Danny, that was you?
What? Is my mic up? Don't tell me, bro.
Dude.
Oh, bro.
Dude.
No.
I did not know that was you. Holy shit.
Don't mention it. Don't mention it. No.
I was like,
Danny, I can recognize. Danny, no.
La 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 la. Okay.
You really,
dude.
really don't.
Dude.
June's just exaggerating.
You know that old guy from Family Guy? Like Herbert or something?
Yeah.
I thought that, like, I was like, who's...
Help! Is that like help? I'm kidnapped!
Hey, nothing's going on. Nothing's going on.
Kill him! Please, hurry!
Hey, nothing's going on, guys.
Help! Jay, help! Jay, I need your help.
Hey, listen, if you... Oh!
Yes.
I will blow her brains out. I will blow her brains out. Don't get any closer.
Okay.
Don't get any closer.
I have a syringe. My syringe is out. Look, let's talk about this peacefully, okay? What do you want?
Jay,
All right, come here. Come here, talk to me. Come here, talk to me.
Okay, I'm coming. I have a syringe out.
Listen.
Let's talk about it.
Listen, you ever have a kid before, man? You ever have a kid before, man? Do you know what it feels like to have your kid be sick and you can't afford to keep him in the hospital?
Jay, I'm 19. Help.
I just told you I don't have a kid, bro. How would I know?
I need help.
All right, well, you got a dog or something, man? A chihuahua or something?
Yeah, I know, right?
Kill him! Why did you shoot the? Wait, you got.
He's in there right now.
I can't, Jay.
He's literally in there right now.
I can't.
If you get YouTube.com, then you also unlock that skin as well.
Oh shit, really? I'm going right now. What was it called? EAJ?
Yep.
EAJ Park Official?
Yeah, EAJ MUSIC.
Okay, EAJ. Okay. Okay, I love that guy.
Want something cool?
Wait, are you sure it's not yellow posted, man?
EAJ MUSIC.
Yellow.
At YouTube.com.
It's not yellow posted,
You
man?
sure it's not? You sure it's not Harrison Park on YouTube.com? Hosier. Hosier sounding ass.
Wait, you sure it's not Better Man by Yellow Posted?
How are you?
Where did my head go?
It's in this campfire, bro. It's right here.
Don't make me scale up this mountain, I'll do it.
No, it's right here. It's right here,
Don't
officer.
make me scale up this building,
It's
I'll
right
do
here.
it.
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, okay. All right, have a good day.
Have a good.
Goodbye, Jodi.
Oh my god.
That's fine.
Yeah, I left you on it.
Oh god! Oh! I tabbed in.
Reefer sad.
Okay. Now I know it's you.
Wait, Leslie.
I know.
Give him a word. Give him a word, and he'll freestyle.
Okay, can you freestyle about fake Jay?
Listen. Leslie came in and thought I was fake Jay, but I be hitting heads in Valorant, just call me Baby Bay. I'm in phase 360, no scope all day, and I be rapping every month, especially May, and now it's June, it's my birthday, and I'm sending all these nudes. You know me, man, I just sucking off on all these dudes.
Oh my god, that escalated quickly. Wow.
People are on you.
Oh no.
Oh! Fuck!
Oh.
Don't come in! Don't come in! Don't come in!
It wasn't me.
Oh my god, you literally baited them with the gun trap!
It's the gun trap, don't come in!
Guys, don't go in!
Come on in, guys. Come on in.
What is the meaning of
There's a water gun.
Guys,
Celine!
Abe killed Celine!
Yeah, I guess it doesn't work for everyone.
Oh my god. Yeah. That's great. Oh my god, poor soul.
Make sure you're all healed
Oh my god, Ryan!
Oh my god, Leslie.
Oh! Ah! Ryan!
Oh my god.
What? Oh no, he died. Oh no, he died last time. He died last time too.
How are you gonna stay alive? In the front.
What the? Hey! Joey. Joey.
Unhand me at once! Unhand me!
Joey.
Don't do it. Listen.
I've never heard no. Oh!
Supply drop, and then I didn't know who was dying. You know, that's all.
Oh yeah, they were bang bang boom boom over the supply drop that hJune came out of. Oh my feet! My fucking feet! She's going crazy!
Sorry, I just.
Oh!
Oh my god!
You shot her hand.
What the heck?
She attacked me! I can't believe it! What was I supposed to do? She attacked me! I had to defend myself. She was coming at me hard with this club.
I don't know.
She attacked me first. It was crazy. You saw it, right? She attacked me so.
We might need a.
When you're jumping, Wendy, why do you jump?
It's target practice.
Jumping, you know that's my biggest weakness.
It's target practice, Miyoung.
Left to right, that's my
target practice.
Wendy, why would you do this?
Wait, you're reloading. Ah! Are you harvesting me?
No!
Hey, Kyedae.
Let's all talk to
Kyedae, come here.
Sing our campfire song.
Come inside here.
Yo, what's up?
Loot this.
So
Yeah.
Loot this box.
Okay.
Loot the top box as well.
Looted some stuff.
Wait, I
thought
have
you
two
guys
of
were
my shit.
Loot this one here.
Okay, wait.
Everything good out there?
Guy on the bottom there.
There's a guy at the bottom?
I'm ready.
All right, loot this one.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Loot this one.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! She called it! Kyedae called the scientist!
What the fuck? That was Harrison! What the fuck? That was Harrison!
Kyedae called the scientist!
Harrison!
It's the scientist on
Leslie, Leslie, come here.
And we have somebody below us.
Harrison! Oh my god.
And then jump down.
It's all June's fault, chat. I hate Harrison. Who the fuck is Harrison? Where is he? Promise, Leslie.
You did not int by calling the boxes, but you inted.
I want to go
She
kill
did int there. You
Harrison
did int a
again.
little today.
Oh god, boy, watch out! Oh god! Oh god! Stop the train! Stop the train!
Wait,
shit.
that's not my fault. That's literally ran into my bullet.
We're dying.
I hate that feeling. If it hits 20, I am going to be.
It's
hit.
Uh-oh.
Ludi!
Give me all your stuff. Hootnik.
Do you know she can make all these jumps? Oh my god, no. Don't kill me, bro. Bitch.
Someone gave it to me at first. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah, you can't roll
guys,
me
could you
twice in
open
a
the
row,
door?
dude.
Thank you.
No,
Wait, move away.
please, Celine, help! Help! I'm handcuffed! I'm handcuffed,
Celine,
please!
can open the door.
Oh, please! No! He's taking me away, guys! He's taking me away! He's fucking taking me away! He's taking me away!
You can
Yo,
put
Jodi,
it back.
What the hell was that about the avocados?
I don't have
About what?
Let me see.
What was that about the avocados?
Avocados taste like clean dick.
When you press 8 or 9, it works. Yeah.
You're just gonna let me say that and then not say anything? Oh, yeah.
Avocados?
Avocados taste like clean dick,
Where?
but hJune asked me, and
Wait,
then
is
he
that
just
how they taste like? Nice.
Yeah.
I don't have to try dick anymore.
That's what exactly.
Well, speak for yourself.
Is this the?
I don't think avocados taste like dick.
They taste like clean
I always
dick.
thought avocados doesn't taste like anything.
Still doesn't work. Try it with these.
Do you want me to?
No, I would know. Nah.
Does it? Does it, John?
10 minutes.
activities again.
I know you're not Jay. Okay, I know.
Why are we aiming?
Wait, are you Jay?
What the?
Leslie, why did
Was
you
this on
slap
others
him?
or violence?
Wait, you're fake
I need
Jay.
you to put your hands behind your back.
Shit,
Get
sounds
on
like
the
the real
floor
one.
right now.
You're
I'm gonna
fake.
need you to do it right now, civilian fuslie. I'm
Are
gonna
you
need you to do it for us live.
Get on the
You understand me?
Wait, you're fake
Get on the
Jay.
goddamn
fake
ground.
Jay.
Put your
Get on the
hands
floor.
up.
He's an
Put
imposter.
your goddamn hands up.
You're
Yeah,
fake.
listen to the
Hands up
imposter.
right
Put
now.
your hands up, Fuslie.
Fine,
Put
fine,
your
fine,
hands
fine,
up.
fine,
Alright, put your hands up. Put your hands up. And then now shake it like you just don't care.
Yeah.
Vents.
I give up. I'm going in the hole. Goodbye. Hide in here.
Oh, wait! I thought you were a scientist. I'm sorry.
No. Rest me first. You can't. No, it's okay. It's okay. Rest me first. Okay, and then stick it with me.
I got it.
Guy, yo, my bad.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Kyedae, you killed Sid.
Kyedae, you killed Sydney. What
Wait!
do you mean, fuck you.
Oh my god!
You killed Sydney.
Oh no! I thought that was a scientist. I thought that was a scientist. You know what? I
Might be able to get it off the
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's down 2 of us now. It's not as bad. See, it's not so bad. I only took Ryan down.
Anybody got pistol bullets for Miyoung?
I do not.
Yeah, here, I have some.
15 here.
Oh wait, I have 15. Here.
I have a little bit too.
I love Sid, and I'm
I dropped
so
15 right
sorry.
Here. Back.
Zoomer child.
I'm so sorry. Can I get it? Can you res me? Can you No, this was a mistake. This is such a misunderstanding. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Please,
So
let's
sorry.
wait. Don't shoot.
I won't shoot. I won't shoot. Oh my god, you guys are crazy. What's wrong? Oh my god! John?
Nope.
We're peaceful. No shooting, Renee.
Hello?
It's it's Leslie.
Oh my god,
No, I
John,
gave it
you
to you.
killed Leslie.
It's
Leslie.
Holy, the 93 meters.
It's Leslie. Oh my god.
You mean EAJ?
You
vandal
stole my AK.
Typical of an officer to abuse his power. Just because he has a badge thinks we deserve respect.
Don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm sorry.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, Amy.
I'm gonna leave him.
Amy, don't do it.
Shoot him.
Amy, you've been threatening a lot, but you haven't shot yet.
I have to shoot this.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I saved
Oh, I'm helping you. I'm helping you, Nick.
I'm going dark. Going dark.
Do you need this? Do you need surgery?
They come back, they come back, they come back.